We had good speed again in Coda, round 3. Better than, let's say, we had in Qatar or in Portimao. I felt like I could run with those guys at the front a lot more comfortably. Pretty happy with the direction, let's say. Like I said, it's just 3 rounds in and we haven't got the result that we'd really like to sort of kick things off, but I'm sure if we stick with it, it'll come eventually. G'day guys, I'm Jack Miller, MotoGP rider, and today we're in Sangla doing a little bit of motocross. Motocross is something that I've always enjoyed doing, something that I've done pretty much every day since I was a child. The fun of it, I guess, it takes you back to the grassroots of putting the bike in the van, coming to the track and going riding. I mean, it's as simple as that. So that alone time on the bike, I think more than anything, as well as obviously physically, it's a fantastic sport for us. Gets the heart rate up, you know, you got to make quick decisions for the mind. It's really good, and yeah, as I said, I mean, strength wise, it's especially on the big 4 fatty, it's pretty stressful. The last laps were some of the fastest, no?
All the last laps, 53 and 50. And the last one, 53.9.
Not bad. It's got like a hard underneath today, but it's nice. The track is fucking good. So good.
Yeah, now start to be a little bit different. In the winter, gives quite hard.
Yeah, like you keep the ruts. Now it's going to this powdery stuff a little bit.
But anyway, I think...
Oh, it's good. Real good.
And
31
and there it's nice because you see the silver in these people.
Yeah.
Normally the people there slippery a lot.
Yeah.
And with the position you go on the bike runs.
I try to also like be super smooth. Just exactly neutral and just and I wait till the top before I really, because on the face it's super hard and you cannot get any drive at all. You only spin.
And there with another tire,
yeah,
as well you feel the difference. If you go with Dunlop or Michelin,
yeah,
I remember I changed down to Pirelli and I say, fuck, I feel.
You hear that? I mean, the goal is always to try and win. That's the main goal, and I believe we really do have the package to do that. Obviously, championship is sitting just inside the top 10 now. We'll just keep plugging away at it and be consistent. The biggest thing, I think, as we've seen in the seasons past, you know, if you can try and be consistent, you'll be there with a shout towards the back end of the year. So if we can stick consistently inside that top 5, it'd be nice.
Well, it's a